Hello. In this episode, I'm going to share 10 important points that how you can create an outfit that is both stylish and comfortable. Choose a lightweight, breathable fabric like cotton or linen blends. Start with a lightweight, breathable base layer like leggings and a tank top or t-shirt. Opt for relaxed fitting silhouettes like an oversized t-shirt and boyfriend jeans or joggers. Opt for loose fitting trousers over jeans if you are looking to stay cool while still looking stylish. Choose wider leg styles for maximum movement freedom. Add in layers to create dimensions such as an open cardigan or denim jacket or cooler weather. Layer pieces to add interest without sacrificing comfort. Think a long cardigan over a tank top and shorts or a denim jacket over a maxi dress. Incorporate shoes that offer both style and comfort, such as slip-on sneakers or loafers with cushion soles. Go for flats instead of heels. Try espadrilles, loafers, ballet pumps, or canvas sneakers for maximum comfort with minimal effort. Accessorize with comfortable items such as fedoras, scarves, and statement sunglasses that won't pinch your head when you wear them all day long. Add in structured bag that is big enough for all your essentials but won't weigh you down throughout the day. Look out for lightweight materials such as canvas bags, which will be easy on your shoulders too. Pick out fabrics in bright colors and interesting patterns to make any outfit look more stylish instantly. Choose tops made from natural fibers like silk, wool, or bamboo, which will keep you feeling fresh even when temperatures start rising during summer days. Balance proportions. Pair crop tops with high waisted bottoms to create the perfect combination of style and comfort. Add some extra texture. Layer on chunky knits or fur coats to make your outfit feel cozy, yet fashionable at the same time. Choose the right undergarments. Stick to seamless styles made from soft materials so you can move freely throughout the day without feeling uncomfortable in any way. Don't forget about accessories. Add some fun earrings, necklaces, and bracelets that won't weigh you down to look but will still give it an extra bit of personality. Accessorize with statement jewelry pieces to add interest without compromising on comfort levels. Wear simple necklaces, earrings, and rings rather than heavy, chunky bracelets or cuffs. Consider adding a belt around the waist of any dresses, skirts worn. This will give definition without feeling restrictive around the midriff area. Finish off your outfit with sunglasses. Not only do they protect your eyes from UV rays, but also add an instant touch of glamour. And to that note, this brings us to the end of this episode. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you find value in this episode, so please give it a like. And if you are not part of the community, please subscribe and make sure you hit the bell icon to get more videos just like this. I am Vandana Evanna and I will see you guys soon.